I'm Álvaro Colindres with Coldwell Banker Riveras in Todos Santos. Welcome to Casa Campo Karuna, located in the heartlands of Pescadero, Baja Sur. Just a short stroll to San Pedrito Surf Beach, Los Cerritos Beach, a short drive to Todos Santos, located about an hour's drive from two international airports, La Paz and San Jose del Cabo. Now, Karuna is the Sanskrit word for compassion, self-acceptance for oneself and others. It's the practice of kindness and hospitality, the qualities that we enjoy when we arrive and welcomed into someone's home. So I'm excited to share with you Casa Campo Karuna. Let's take a tour. The current owners totally refurbished the property with a simple idea in mind: to provide the most luxurious, most modern amenities in a laid-back oasis zen-like setting. So I'd like to take you through the main house, and then we'll go to the common areas, and then we'll finish on the rooftop so I can show you the abundant, the fabulous 360 views of the Pescadero area. So the main kitchen is definitely built for entertaining. We have here an induction stovetop, eco-friendly and energy efficient. Soft close, custom wood, rosewood cabinetry. All the modern appliances you would expect in a modernized home. We have an expansive great room with 11-foot ceilings, postmodern furniture with sliding glass doors to let the indoors outdoors and the outdoors indoors. So a seamless connection with the nature around us. And this is the master bedroom with simple, clean lines. We have a energy efficient air conditioner and a luxurious spa-style walk-in bathroom and walk-in closet. And this is the second story of Casa Karuna. This room can be used as a second bedroom, but is currently used as an exercise room, office, and entertainment space. It has a half bathroom. This unit has an exterior stairwell, so your guests and friends can enter from the outside without disturbing the main house below. And just outside the second story guest area is an expansive terrace. And you'll know you're on a true Mexican beach vacation when you hear the waves crashing on the beach and the birds chirping in the trees. The fragrant, fresh scent of mangoes and tropical fruits. And the sea air and sandy beaches are just steps away. So here we are, Casa Karuna on the rooftop deck. This is one of my favorite vantage points where you can see the fresh bounty that the area has to offer. Fresh chili fields, lavender, and fragrant basil. And you got these glorious mountain views of the Sierra de la Laguna Mountains. And one of my other favorite vantage points from this rooftop is the ocean views. Across the way you can see the highly anticipated Rancho Pescadero Hyatt, which is scheduled to open in the fall of 2022. And now we're at the entrance of the guest area of Campo Karuna. Come on in. And for the ultimate glamping experience, we have two pods to offer you. These two gorgeous Silverstream trailers. It has a common kitchen and two private bathrooms. And Pod Uno was born in 1957 and gone through several makeovers and has all the modern amenities with luxurious bedding, super fast Wi-Fi, and air conditioning and heating units. And this is Pod Numero Dos. Its sister sibling, just slightly longer, slightly larger. Also includes all the modern amenities with luxurious bedding, air conditioning, and super fast Wi-Fi. And this is the common kitchen shared for the two pods. So as you go foraging for food at the organic mercados, you have this gorgeous kitchen where you can come and prepare your own farm-to-table meals. And from the common kitchen in the guest area, it's a short stroll to the swimming pool. We have this gorgeous privacy wall to allow you to enjoy being here, swing in the hammock area, and just relax in the zen-like setting. And when you come back from the beach, from surfing, wading, horseback riding, whatever outdoor adventure you like to enjoy, you can rinse off here at the outdoor shower and then take a nice refreshing plunge in this saltwater heated pool. It's 4 to 6 feet deep, also has a little waiting area for young children and infants. And the pool area also includes a half bath in this building here. All the pool equipment, which include the water filtration system and the heater. And there's also a fully automated backup generator that powers the main house and guest areas. And it's all about having fun and relaxing at Casa Campo Karuna. We have this expansive bocce ball court for you and your guests. And the common area also includes this gas-lit fire pit. And over here is a picnic dining area under this beautiful canopy of trees, seat up to about 18 people. And this is the other common area, which includes these raised planter beds where you can grow your own fine herbs for cooking. And finally, we're in the parking and garage area, which includes this partially built casita, totally plumbed, ready to finish, or you can finish it as a garage. We also have parking underground, and this container is perfect for a workshop. So come, relax, and enjoy at Casa Campo Karuna. My name is Álvaro Colindres with Coldwell Banker Riveras in Todos Santos area. I look forward to seeing you, and namaste.